There are hazardous voltages associated with the installation of these products, which can cause death, serious injury, or property damage. Turn off power before working on this equipment. Only qualified employees can work on electrical equipment. When working near energized equipment, please wear PPE as specified in NFPA 70E.
This is a demonstration of the assembly and installation of the Siemens 3VA41 125 amp single pole and 3-pole strap kit into a Siemens P5 main lug only panel board. For installation, you are going to need the following tools: a torque screwdriver and a torque socket. To begin, remove the gutter covers and cover plates. Once removed, the 3.75 inch of required space should be marked out. Measure 3.75 inches down from the top dead front support and transfer this location onto the dead front support along the Z rail. To install the run backs, start with the A phase. Insert two 1/4 inch 20 screws through the two mounting holes in the AC run back and into the selected holes in the A phase bus and tighten. Repeat this step to mount the second run back to the C phase bus. For the B phase run back, insert a 1/4 inch 20 screw through the mounting hole in the B phase run back and through the .228 inch hole located in the B phase bus 1 1/4 inches up from the bottom of the empty unit space. Be sure to torque the screws as specified on the rear of the dead front. For single phase systems, the B phase run back is omitted. Skip this step. To install the mounting brackets, locate the .228 inch hole in the center of the 3 3/4 inches of unit space on the left Z rail, approximately 1.88 inches down. Insert a 1/4 inch 20 by 3/8 screw through the barrier support bracket and tighten. Repeat this process for the second mounting bracket on the right side of the Z rail. For the top barrier installation, set the top barrier over the two mounting brackets so the mounting holes align with the holes on the brackets. Insert a 1024 by 3/8 screw on each side of the barrier and tighten. To install the B phase strap, locate the center opening such that the center hole is aligned with the mounting hole on the B phase run back. Drive a 1/4 inch by 20 5/8 screw through the strap and into the run back and tighten. For A and C phase straps, take one and angle the mounting side through the corresponding hole in the barrier such that the strap mounting hole aligns with the corresponding hole in the A phase run back. Drive 1/4 inch 20 by 5/8 inch through the strap and run back and tighten similarly to the C phase strap. When installing the 3VA41, orient the breaker so the breaker tabs are facing inside and align the bottom of the breaker with the top of the barrier. Slide the breaker along the notch until the notch on the bottom of the breaker fully engages with the edge of the barrier. Once fully engaged, use the number 10 24 by 5/8 screws to secure the breaker pole stabs to the straps and secure the breaker to the specified torque value on the dead front. If the branch neutral terminal strips are not installed or are full, then the branch neutral terminal strip, which is included in the bag labeled branch neutral lug kit, must be installed. If this does not apply, click on the time code on the screen to skip ahead. To install the neutral lug kit, the branch neutral can either be mounted near the bottom of the Z rails or mirrored to the top on the branch neutral connector, which should already be mounted in panel boards. For switchboards, mount the branch neutral connector on the neutral bus with two 1/4 inch 20 screws.
Mount a neutral terminal strip on either side of the branch neutral connector using two number 8 32 screws to 35 pounds per inch.
Now that all the internal components have been installed, reassemble the dead front assembly to the interior. Finally, install the 3 3/4 inch cover plate by aligning it over the selected unit space and corresponding breakers and fastening with 4 1/4 inch by 3/8 inch screws into the dead front rails with 2 on each side of the cover plate. Torque is specified on the dead front. Mark the circuit ID cards as desired and mount to the cover plate by locking into place with the clear covers and pushing into the holes.
Ensure that the hardware is torqued properly and replace the cover plates and gutta covers before re-energizing the equipment.